There has been a major U-turn for the Maharashtra government, and it's all about language, politics, and pride. Yes, I'm talking about the controversial three-language policy, which has now been officially rolled back. Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis announced that the government has decided to withdraw the earlier resolution issued in April and June that aimed to implement the three-language formula in schools starting from class 1. Just to remind you, in April, the government made Hindi compulsory as a third language for students in English and Marathi medium schools from class 1 to 5. But after facing severe backlash, they tried to soften the blow in June, making Hindi optional. Still, the opposition wasn't buying it, and now the whole order is gone. So, why this sudden course correction? Let's break it down. First, there was the massive pushback from political heavyweights and regional outfits. And here's why it's get interesting. This language war has not only just brought some political party in the forefront, but also strange cousins Uddhav Thackeray and Raj Thackeray back into the same page. Yes, that rare moment of unity in Maharashtra politics. Raj Thackeray even put up a giant poster urging people to rise for Marathi language. On a podcast with filmmaker Mahesh Manchrekar, he hinted that protecting the Marathi language was bigger than any family feud. And it wasn't just that. The NCP, CPI, and several smaller parties jumped into protest mode. Rallies, pressures, slogans, and everything I think worked. Earlier, Deputy CM Ajit Pawar was also one of those who had opposed the compulsory introduction of Hindi. Even Eknath Shinde, who is another deputy chief minister, reportedly uneasy and fearing that might strengthen the UBT Sena's long-standing narrative around Marathi, Asmita or pride. Let's not forget, in Maharashtra politics, regional identity matters a lot. We also know that in the Maharashtra election, regional parties attract most of the voters. And since the announcement of Hindi being made compulsory from class 1, it had MNS and UBT sitting on one side while Shinde was left with in a tricky position. Now, although the GRs have been pulled back, the story isn't over yet. The state government has announced a new committee led by Dr. Narendra Jadhav to study whether Maharashtra really needs a third language in its curriculum or not. So while the GR is gone, the debate is at. And here's the big takeaway. What started as an education policy may now reshape political alliances in Maharashtra. Language clearly is never just about words. It's about identity, history, and power.